Hey guys, this is Karthik Ramne here. In this short video, I'm gonna show you the different blocks that we have in Social Suite and on how effectively you can use these blocks. To access the blocks, you have to go to create new campaign. Let's name this campaign as blocks. If you want to, if you don't want to select a template and if you want to start from scratch, you click on create custom template. So once you do that, you get an empty canvas area and all the available blocks on the left hand side. So I'm going to add each and every one of those blocks to this empty canvas. Let's start with the header block. Everything is click and drag. This is a header block. You can center it. We have an advanced editor. You can change the font. You can change the size. You can have a background if you want. And again, you have animations. Every time, let's try out a different animation. So this is the first block. And once you do once you add a block, just for the purpose of having more space in the canvas area, you can minimize this block. And then you can go ahead and add another block. Let's go and do a banner block. Add it here, and again, as I've told you before, everything is drag and drop. So you can, if you want the banner above the header, you can do that. You just have to drag and drop that. Let's upload an image. So I'm gonna do this. You can have animations. Also, one other thing that I want to show you is you can reduce the size of each of these blocks on how you want this to appear on the page. This can be this size. You can have it's really flexible. Let me publish this and show you first, and then let's resize it and then publish it back again. Save it. Hit on publish. And once you hit on install, you get the campaign URL. Click on visit to open up the campaign URL. So this is a header block. We had an animation on that, and this is the banner block. Let's go back and resize the banner. You just have to reduce the size and hit on save. Let's go back to this page and refresh this. You can see that the size of the banner is reduced. So it's very flexible. Let me go back to the dashboard. I'm just going to put it as it is. Then I'm going to add a product image. So the product image, the title is optional, the description is optional. You can upload a product image. Let's use this one. If you want to have a buy now button, you can have that. If you want to have a buy now link, you can put that. You can directly put in your affiliate link or any link that you want, or your shopping cart link. I'm just going to put on google.com. We have these featured labels as well, and again animation effects for these. Let me hit on save. So if you notice, I have the product on the left hand side. So this wouldn't occupy the full screen. If I want to have multiple products uh, consecutively, you can do that as well. So I have one product here, I can add one more product here, I can resize this and also have three products here. Let me upload another product image. These are all just random images that I'm using. If you have images of the same size, it's more advisable. Again, you can put the Bino link. Once you do all the changes, you can close this and hit on save. Let's come to this block and refresh this. This is the published URL. You can see we have two product shots that we've added, one on the left, one on the right, and for this one we added a Bino button. Even for this you can have a Bino button or add to cart button. You can name the button on whatever way you want. You can also upload your own button images. You can change the background color. You can even have animations for the button. Let's close these two blocks. The next would be the product video. If you want to have a video explaining the product, let's say you want to have a review video and then you want to put in your checkout link, you can do that. Let's add a product video here. We usually have the videos above the Buy Now button, right? So let me put this above. You can have this below. So wherever you have you want to leave space or you want to have something to fill up, we have something called an element called spacing. You can use this element, spacing element, wherever you want. It can be a horizontal line, it can be a single line, double line, dotted line. You can mention the height of it. I'm just going to reduce the size of it, and I'm going to put the spacing here. So after the product video, there would be spacing. If you want this product video to appear bigger, you can reduce the spacing and increase the size of the video element. All right. Now you can put your video embed code here. I'm just going to go to YouTube and grab a quick video, the review video of Renault. You can just copy the video URL. I'm sorry, you have to put in the embed code. You come to share, and take the embed code here. You can put in the embed code. We don't need a Buy Now button because we have a product shot below and we have a Buy Now button for that. Let's hit on save. Once you've saved it, you can let's go to the published URL. Based on the number of elements and number of images you have, every time you save might take 10 to 15 seconds. Please hold on till the animation for saving is complete. So it's saved. Let's refresh this. All right. So you can see we have a video here, and we have spacing. Based on you can increase the size of this video and reduce the spacing, so this video can be centered. So to have perfect alignment, you have to effectively use this spacing bar. It's a very advanced option, and once you play around with the spacing bar, it's easy and you can get any design that you want. Also, we have a block for raw HTML. Let me put this here. If you have the HTML code, you can put the whole HTML code here, and it's going to load it for you. Also, we have countdown timer. Let's have a countdown timer. If you want to delete a block, you go into the block and click on delete. So I don't want a HTML, I'm not putting in any HTML code now. So you can have timer text. This offer expires in, I'm going to center this, increase the size, time zone. Usually we work with New York time zone, but you can choose any time zone based on your location, based on the location of majority of your clients. So this is the Eastern Standard Time, and you can, today is 28th. Let's say if I want this timer to end tonight, 20, the month is September 09 slash 28 slash 2015, and if you want it to end in the midnight 23:59. So after this timer ends, you can have a default text, or you can redirect them to some other URL, or you can choose none. And we also have different timers that you can choose. Let me hit on save. Once, please wait till the animation for saving is complete so we can know that your changes are saved. Let's go and refresh here. You can see we have a timer. So we have another 21 hours for midnight on 28th Eastern Standard Time. I've already shown you the spacing bar, and the next one is the footer bar. It's again a basic text editor, which you can have it at the bottom or anywhere you want. So these are the simple blocks. We've tried to keep this as simple as possible. We have a limited number of blocks, but each of these blocks is very powerful, and using these blocks you can achieve any functionality that you require for a page. Thank you so much, and stay tuned.